In this video, we are going to use Pocket Option Auto Trader. That's the bot that you see all the way in the top there. It's the bot number 1, Pocket Option Auto Trader. You can have the other two also, but in this video, we are going to use the first one. All this you find in the same application that you find in Google Play Store with a link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So this is completely for free binary option robot. So now let's start Pocket Option Auto Trader. We push it there now, he will start. Then I will take a $1,000 trade. All this you can see in the videos on my channel, so you can see more of them. Let's start here now. He will now start to go through all the information he needs from the chart, but he will also go through so he finds all the information he needs for the strategy. So now he's starting to look for a trade. He's taking a $1,000 trade right now. Let's see if we get a winner from the start. And just like that, $920 profit. So also make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So now, once again, link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Completely for free binary option robot just for you. So with that, have an amazing day.